Listen, I don't lie to you too often, but this time I have the absolute easiest, fastest way to use alcohol inks to customize your tumbler. And I have a bonus because this is plastic. We're gonna do that. And these things are awesome. It's double wall insulated. I'll put a link of these in the description, but I had a friend of mine that's allergic to stainless steel. Like if she drinks out of stainless steel, her lips swell up and she's talking like this. And that's not a good look. So she brought me this, asked me if I could do it. I did one, and I was like, holy cow, I gotta show the people this. This is so easy. So we're gonna cut out tons of steps. Let's just get right in it. All right, now we're gonna have to clean all this mess up real quick. But what you wanna do first is like anything else. You're gonna sand this down, 400 grit sandpaper, some water, clean it up, some rubbing alcohol. And also, if you notice, there's a few little lines and stuff here. Look, get closer, closer. Can you see the line? No. For those, you wanna use a Scotch-Brite pad and get your little intricate areas in there. And this one has just a little black rim, so I taped that mug up. I wanna keep that just the way it is, because I like it. And I picked out my colors, they're around here somewhere. No flamingo. No. So I'll gather those up and we'll come right back. All right, we got it on our turner. We've got it all sanded, cleaned up, just like a regular stainless steel. It's already black. I'm not adding any paint. Like I was thinking, how can I keep this as simple as possible? And the way I did it is I left it black the way it came, and what I discovered was nothing less than magical. When these colors pop out, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, what? Because at first you see nothing, but then the magic happens. And that's where I want to bring your attention to this guy right here. It is worth it to buy this refill of white. Actually, I almost need another one. It comes with this little squirter with the needle nozzle. Look at this, how awesome is that? I'll put a link to that in the description. But first things first, you need one more thing. This guy right here. There it is, look at this guy. Y'all remember this? I got a link in the description of this also, but step number one is just to flood this bad boy with it and let it roll. Look how shiny and pretty. Don't be scared of it, just flood it, let it go. Literally, all I'm gonna do is drip these alcohol inks on there. And I have my colors here. I'm gonna start with a little indigo on the bottom. Should've took these lids off already. So watch, you see that? Yeah, you don't see it, just wait. I'm gonna get all these colors. I got a bunch of blues because they're all kind of low, and I love blue. Blue is my favorite color. So, you cannot see what you're doing, but you just, oh my gosh, you just wait and remember where I'm putting all these colors, okay? So I'm just dripping and letting it make bands around it. You can almost see some color wanting to drip through there, but it's not there yet. And I really can't tell what I'm doing exactly yet. I try to put these in the same order as I had them, because I like to keep you know how I like to frame the top and bottom with a little bit of a darker color. Next we have some magenta. This is Piñata Magenta. And they're literally, can't tell where it is. Sounds like we're getting an Amazon delivery. Those don't come too often. You're right, like every day. Amazon is an everyday thing. Type in the comments if you are Amazon addicted, and we will all relate to you as I am right now. All right, here's the last color. We got Wild Berry. It's a beautiful color, actually. So now, here it is. Are you ready? This guy right here. It's gonna appear like magic right before your very eyes. So you just take the white and you, look at that, what is happening? Magic, it is amazing. That's what, oh my gosh. So you wanna be kind of quick. You see I got some spots drying from the alcohol. Don't be scared of it, look at it. You're gonna be like, what in the world? So the white is gonna slowly dissipate, and you're gonna be left with nothing but the colors. I know it's hard to believe because I am dumping some white on here, but any spot you see this dark with the black showing through, go ahead and load that bad boy up with some more white. And if you want to, like, you don't have to, like literally, if you just stop here and let it do its thing, it's gonna come out absolutely beautiful. But I know a lot of you are saying, I wanna add more, I'm impatient. You probably say it just like that. I'm just kidding, I'm just messing with y'all. Y'all know I love you, cause I just love dripping alcohol inks. I don't even know about you, but this is literally the easiest, I'm gonna say, dare say, the most beautiful way to make an alcohol ink tumbler. And if you have never messed with alcohol inks in your life,
what the heck is wrong with you?
I don't know, maybe you're just a baby still, I don't know. I would suggest doing this. And when you do it and you get done, you wanna just toss your colors around. They'll look better in the end if you just like sling your, oh my gosh, this guy's out. If you have this problem, as I do, I'll have a link in the description to a slew, like a ridiculous amount of colors of alcohol inks. It's like every color you can imagine. And if you can't find a color there, I'm gonna dare say it's your own fault. Where's that pretty blue? That's the one I want, the like teal color. Dump some more white, why not? Look at how beautiful, hold on, I gotta bring you up close for this. Look how stinking beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. And like you could literally do this as much as you wanted. And one thing I wanna show you is like, see you got a spot right here? All you have to do, just dab it with your finger. Did you see how it went away? There's a spot right there. Dab with your finger and it's gone. What? And that's all you have to do. So I know a lot of people are like, oh, I hate having the little void spots that don't fill in like this right here. Well, this is what you do. You just dab with your finger. That's it. 3 little touches, 1 little touch. And I got some color coming from other areas, but I don't even care. And on the bottom, while you're dabbing your finger, just cover up the bottom down here. It's got alcohol, it's got colors, just whatever, and it makes a beautiful rim for where you're gonna put your glitter and UV or whatever you wanna do. I don't care, it doesn't matter. But a lot of you will be asking, how do I get my bottom to do right? Literally, just look at that, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I'm gonna leave that. You want me to touch you, huh? Look, I can't go rob anybody. I got fingerprints everywhere, look at that. Don't copy that. Hey, you're not using my fingerprint. All right, I just wanna show you that. Don't get crazy. Okay, well. All right, that is how that bad boy is going. Keep turning, I'm gonna let it turn till it dries. And literally, you can do anything with this, with any colors. I'm even envisioning, look right here. Hey, what is that? Hey, don't look at that. I'm even envisioning a beach scene or something like that. Can you see it? Wow, there's the ocean, there's the sand, the waves crashing on the shore. I don't know, there's the sky with some beautiful clouds. Paint a little mountain scene. I don't know, literally limitless. But I need you to use your imagination and make something beautiful. And actually, it doesn't take very much alcohol inks at all, which is ridiculous, whatever that means. But let me bring you over here and show you. I have one already done. What? Look at that. Look at those beautiful colors, how that came out. I think I used pretty much the similar ones. I don't really remember, but check this out. How beautifully does that go? Perfect with the holographic vinyl. And of course, I sealed this with some Mate Clear, so the holographic is not blinging as much, but it's ready for a pooxie. And when you put the pooxie on it, boy, that mug will be shining like a holographic sticker or something. I don't know. Literally, links to everything in the description. Go check this out. If you haven't seen my very first almost viral video, check that video out right here.